Hello, my people. Una good afternoon from here. Yes, so today's date is 9th of September 2024. My now, the topic is there. My now message to Izzy Omoruyi and to Mama late Sharon OKPAMEN. Yeah. So please share this video. Share, and tag. Continue tagging this video to Izzy Omoruyi and to Mama Sharon. Okay? And the way forward. You see, I just look all of the kedo are there ever since. I know anything will happen for social media. They must take and turn to APC, PDP. Okay? Now the one way home go, when the one way home go last pass. Or na my side, now you may always say. That's why I thank God Almighty that sent me this message on the 17th of January 2017 to come and voice for my people, to come and help the less privileged, not for adults or people like adults who are not facing voice, like Mama Sharon now. She's voiceless. In which they say they call presenters to defend herself. Yes, those are the manipulators that she didn't even know. Even this Izzy Omoruyi that have been indoors for the past 2 or 3 weeks now. Where Sharon OKPAMEN, bye. But the activities she was doing indoors was even worse than the ones that was putting their face. I think they saw Samede, friend to late Sharon. The other way when Mama come out, that one way too beyond. The ones where those who can't talk live video, it was past the write-up of Izzy Omoruyi. I'm coming there. Will answer me? I know the APC. I know the PDP. That's why I say, as they still promise them for the politics now, that they give them on. Now the same thing. Now they still can enter the social media. When I said before Labour Party come join, I said they want to election for Edo State. Who is that the Labour Party on Edo cyberspace besides the Benin's? It's Melissa. Melissa, you yeah, Abi? Usiamata, the Idaboski. No, she's not my Idaboski. I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to laugh. No, God forbid. No. You know, that is me. So please share this video and tag them. Melissa is now the Labour Party. She not the APC, she not the PDP. But she's still one of them. But me, I'm not one of them. I'm not in any party. Because I'm a humanitarian activist. And I make God send the message. You don't send anybody. So when I'm coming with the truth, nothing but the truth. That is why they'll be fighting my page. Fighting everything. With the kind of go cut, let's go cut. Before you know it, they ran away. Not today. They have tried all their possible best to think that they will shut up me, to do this. Me when I come out for social media, I'm saying I come out for social media, I know they come out like that. Oh, come here, anywhere yesterday video. The video where I did yesterday is almost 18,000 views. Me, I know now that they would buy the views on enemy. People will put their eyes. They don't get them. So the ones where they press, the ones with a Sharon platform, they want to come, the ones where their platform don't die. Baba Nebu, you where your platform not die. You where they make money, or you think so they make money now, or you they make viewers. Kobane boy. Ota ayo hole. The time when you tell us people where you know they come out for social media, commit nuisance. Because some of you say somebody died. Say the one we're there for A, the one we're there for B, Ogomoga say, not Baga say. That somebody, that's the mother. She's grieving. It's a forbidden thing. And now one it's okay. Jesus Christ died and Mary mother was there. Okay? Even area here. So, before I leave the message, this is a video. I don't know how many days to or how many weeks to when this our sister, let Sharon do this video. I think she don't do here where now. I'm coming. She don't do here where. Okay? She don't do here where when she play this music. So, Mommy Sharon, the tips when your daughter leave for grant, where your eye no go see now, when you go sit down, supposed to sit down now. I hear we can so turn because for my easy. God forbid. Look at this video of your daughter. Let Sharon OKPAMEN, Habibe OKPAMEN. What me never hear is the son name, okay? No. Please share this video to Mama Sharon. Mama, maybe you have seen this video. Look at the message your daughter leaves. Mama. You know many times I don't cry watching this video. Say na mi okay, Mama. Udere. I see here the confirmation yesterday from Izzy Omoruyi, where you are part of them that decide that want to take Sharon to Nigeria. That the GoFundMe, you are part of it. But you listen to your daughter now. Where almost was so lakpa. Where I more than Nigeria, Mama. Don't let these people convince you. Okay, you go back in the GoFundMe. They have already back here. Okay? If not, since 3 weeks, they are still on 1,500. Maybe because of Destiny Bagua and scheme here control yesterday now, 200 conjure now. When call come on this social media, under 24 hours, maybe 48 hours, 70,000 euro was donated. That be $70,000 was donated into the account. People that is dragging you now, hey, they drag you, be they drag you. Easy they talk to her, Mama Sharon they talk to B, or Mama Sharon they talk to her, Easy they talk to B. Now this social media, all of them, they say they've backed them 50,000, 60,000 euro car. The one who want to do document, now this social media, they for donate them. For the first time, Sharon, if to say a person where they do saga, maybe I for no one. I don't even know. Even the time when they come and show the video where say in the take fight airborne 4 years ago. When they take gather 4 of them, Festina, Izzy Omoruyi, the Sharon and Gloria. I didn't even know she. Okay? I think they say she get influence. She dey give. She's a giver. At time maybe she's supposed to receive. Maybe her spirits don't need it. Okay? Mama. Yes, Sharon. Your daughter Sharon, I leave a message. So go and meet the Italian government. Let them give you, let them help you to do the burial. In the cemetery, because if you say you want to face the money and everything here, all you sell 3 to 5,000 euro. They know your story and or the story of Sharon, that she's a single mother. Mama, go and meet the Italian government now where you're no somewhere bury of a life you wear. Now bury no like your story. No give a no way you go. The people that start this saga, that started to do Sharon to do saga, and insulting Izzy Omoruyi was insulting them. They are not the ones supporting Izzy Omoruyi. Just imagine. Okay? So that they will fight the other side. When they say Mama Sharon the call pass. Mama. We can not go find me where the ticket. We Sharon are in Nigeria. Orakbe. Emotai or Sean, go find me under 48 hours, 58 hours. Under 48 hours, 58 hours, or 70 hours, at least that is a day, a week. The money that they ask, you can ask for 20,000 for GoFundMe, and the people can donate to $200,000 to $300,000 or euro. They will still give it to the person. I mean, all of the full social media, especially for America. This is a GoFundMe, not too much for Europe or Italy. But for America, they just and where. Then we have some, let's just have this one $5,000, $10,000. People will not donate. It will not be $200,000. They will still give it to the family. I'm not going to Sharon and I'm saying they cannot real 3 weeks work back better. So, Mama, here, Sharon, please. Easy make a kedo ade, not those say no eh. Me ma you know where do we can call here wo don yo. Here we no tani hin. Or easy, one me this right up on easy manana. Or we so na Mama Sharon. Izzy Omoruyi. Look at your right up here. This was just the starting, oh. Okay, my people, please check this video. This was just the starting of the starting of the Sharon just died. You not give an insult to Mama Sharon. How that time Mama go or ebo. That is the right up no when come back bring Frank. Only me wa go since morning. It's a place there, but marry me on. That's who you did it because all that right up was bringing Monica. All of them are still there on your wall. But with the very first one, that was 2 weeks ago. Sharon died, never reached 2 days. Thank God I see the video and I go plan out my people. So somebody said, Big Man Wife Beauty Clinic. Whoever told you all these lies actually lied to you. Now that I blame Sha. Fine, you can blame that. There's somebody, Osadu Gwagmo, Okpa Easy rest. Mama Sharon called to explain her side of the story. The way this case is going, silent is not longer golden. Easy, you now reply this person 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago when the something just happened. Oh, it was Mama Sharon that told Monica all those lies. When the Mama Sharon talk lie, you not talk lie. This kiss where you give Sharon here for this picture, that's the kiss of Judas Iscariot to Jesus Christ. If Sharon even report Mama to you not speak, you can't insult Mama for social media, my dear. Sharon when I clean. You don't even supposed. You be calling Mama Sharon a liar. The one by the time I don't know whether Frank Fed do this video. Okay? Whether Frank Fed do this video before you come out. Before you come right down at us, say Frank. Tell the person, make my people want to listen. Return out to the mama. Okay. Return with you. Return out to the mother. Okay. You not be their family member, you're just a friend. Understand what I see? Return out to the mother. Okay. My people, this video was done 2 weeks ago. I don't know. Because this video, I not see at that time. I not see at that time. This video now is not telling us it's 2 weeks ago. Okay? It's not telling us that it's 2 weeks ago. Let this video, let Frank do this video. So, when Izzy won't come do the write-up, or maybe now Izzy felt do the write-up before Frank, because me I don't see this video by then. Now Izzy page, now I see a write-up. I don't see him again. Now don't go look for him. Izzy say, Frank, tell the person may come carry me for my house. Say, what? I like a lie. If not, we say, God, I don't change. God say, I don't change. I read Bible where we say, he said, make a death slow to hunger. Quick to listen, slow to anger. Now me for first come out. Saga, when I saga, no one call am, tell Sharon the truth. Excuse us, Sharon, may your soul rest in peace. Call out Izzy Omoruyi to talk, say, make Mama Sharon come collect me for her whole house. I say, what? Izzy Omoruyi don't write that right up at all. Before Samede and others come and they put their face. So because Izzy don't come and Mama Sharon say, make you come carry Mimi for that. If not, we not here. Say maybe Mimi dey your house. You call Sharon your friend. Can you send a message to a woman that reached to born you? Or maybe not reached to born you, maybe you see no Sharon. But that respect as it's my friend mother. No. It's my friend mother. I cannot reply. Aye. Yeah, I be one comment, I got a shake. I dare work because we also finish our summer work now there for my apartment now for bed and breakfast. Okay? I said, no. But I can't say people come, they come and people don't come. That's okay. Make I say, set my patience. Okay. She said, now, the writer come at the next day say, Mama Sharon, they talk lie. If you can call your own best friend, as you call, or a sister, a best friend that become a sister, say, Mama, they talk lie. The mother that is grieving, that she's a liar. Oh, I killed them and nickel and other table. You open doors for others, make them put the cause. Immediately, you take a phone to APC and PDP as they do for social media ever since. And make we join this one, more join this one, and forget, say, this girl, she have been on this social media, she actress, nobody knows her. I don't think that maybe she don't offend any of them. I don't know, because I'm not there. Okay? You talk on one of your videos now, say, people don't know and say she did quiet for front, for back now, match the sharp. Fine, it can be so. Okay, because when my mother when young, I tell my dad, was you man I tell you? Okay? But The people will start just immediately. When this Sharon done, and the can't tell us say the actual what Sharon do for this Europe. People when Madame carry come, they don't do that kind of shit. When I say really, go just catch me. Another mother still don't carry no. I pick come they come make come do a show up here. But I still call them gonna call the yes say Sharon have never given her mother a dime for that shower money. Hello. That she have never given her mother a dime from that shower money. She was using it for herself to carry herself as a big woman. All of us say that money where they make for the industry. I don't know who would have been an enemy. Now they make the shine like that. We don't know say they say they go where they're not supposed to go. We are set to an enemy where it come. We were not having choice. We were not having choice. We were forced to come for a greener pastures. But the mother don't come for her. She's not supposed to near there. Never. She's supposed to go to study. I'm gonna study a winner. That's the winner. She's not a producer and then Hollywood. Everybody was okay. That's good. But you are the people that rush to say it that way now. No, will not take that high look at on now. The one where was past people with the matter when the matter even come. So maybe now mama tell her say, what do man say to the boy? You are you stupid? If it is your daughter, uncle. Many of us come suffer for our family, for our mama, our brothers and sisters. The mother come suffer for them. For her not to go and do a shower. Not to just school, no way, no. Yeah, that way, not no way. I want this with you. Then, if it were you, call. Oh, no, well, which I cannot explain to you people, no, even money gear. The adult. The moment adult, you know, even one. No condemn no one. Why ya? Kimekeya. Now they will sacrifice for the family. The sacrifice the man you finish 18 today. Oh, where so you just so where so you right and then I boost and then I webo. Well, so where so you no webo by head. I'm on this mother. Somebody that lost her husband. I want me to tell the phone divorce now, or less at the phone idea with, but no. Lost her husband, and the year I said that the husband, a brother, come carry and come. And then I said to her, no, said to her, but I'm not interested. She come and she was so young that time. She was when she married born. But you will not say if you born for a year. The ones where the Nigeria go suffer now. That's why many mothers, many brothers and sisters, when you come make catch up for the family, they don't want to quit, make una born amongst us won't marry. Because they don't say the day when you go marry, the day when you go born. Now that day they go get limits of money from you. Because you get the one way they take off here. But this woman, selfless mother, do that sacrifice for her daughter, for her son. Hello? That daughter can't come today. Wait till come take show to the old one say, Mama, you will carry me come fear. That to fear agbashe wo kakabolu. Nu ya we gele. Nu ya je when I see the dressing of Sharon now. Hello? So which is more than no wise rich. That all wise. Oh, I think maybe gonna learn from one meeting to the other. Where should pay the social media or the Facebook la. Oh, forgetting ya. Oh my ya, correspond. A shadow is a heye. Ijama is a on a lope sponsor a day. So in a banjo on the control, we may let another wish. There are many like that. When sponsor carry come, when their mama no carry come, their mama there yo. At the end, their mama wants to control them. Say, "Don't let any happy yo." Mama with this mother did not forget that children. So, mama, they were not here accuse you where they not here what that way. And when I was here, many what here no but do ya here. Do ya will sacrifice what webo. And none of you were. What dear? As I was a matter of you go like that. Is she like mother teaching like my pushing a so you cannot insult your mother. That is what I want you wear. Or don't get like more who don't bash over webo or make her like more. As you go move by webo. So I wrote that channel to report to Mawa. Get this year we is she a man clear life stand here? Okay, and you can hear my saying, Kelem with Bankalem with Bajina. Ah, Jena. Let all dog close to Ije. Obamia was saying, not see it, just see it, that your back, babe. Maybe will be another story of Sharon and I turn on social media. Hello? So, Mama, yes, Sharon, forgive your daughter. I'm not on the overall you when I'm not on tea while I tell you, yes, Sharon, I will say, any of you, Sharon, no war of you. I know you of you were saying, Nahina. Undo phone. Or for the Motiariki. I am no be mula Java. Or you let another love. A shadow of one more house really so like that. So maybe I'll say that God found me, man, I buy it now. No boy government, near where the okay? Thank God you have another son now. No, the chair no real lawa. Real lawa now any gwebwana madam. Oh, why not done of what we are now? Yeah, we are coffee cell. Yeah, my coffee cell not to act boy. On the latter social media. Forgive you when you la one yes Sharon. Forgive you when we are no Okpame. Real lawa. Oh, I feel who had me no. A shadow fair when I know who's to them bridge now. Oh, some method don't change or any. Oh, my generation, Mamma, you're webo. I be not paying no Niger token a shadow. I mean, and yet to them bridge. But to be well, Sharon, you know. Yes, Sharon. But who come salopo? Who me varoto? Etem na lenweo. When no more who do a cockage. But a man not here easy. So no way bury a rapa now. No cock me vani. No say you are talk one. Any way. Don't go to any easy lad that talk and no can talk to you and no you to you. Easy way I feel me to so madam phone. Okay, I can when you said on yata, you can tell on my radio. Honestly, I know where the partner agaro. A partner you say, oh yeah, I will say this in the Netflix. And the lowest views on part 1 to part 8. The lowest views. Tikemodapo. The lowest views from the part 1 to part 8 is 30,000 views. And I get an agale amigo one here, amigo no mula. Inigo on me, but it's a big shame. A big shame. Easy. You will have off adverts in those videos. Or for cutting it part 1, because when we got 3 hours, and many people can total maybe our koya could be now almost 1 million or 500,000 views since yesterday. When we one episode, that episode 5 minutes, 10 minutes, enemy, you have 2 hours. Maybe you cannot get more than 80,000 views or 100,000. So you know what to do. That is the case of betray. You betray your friend. Okay? Are you telling me that the advert that is ringing on those videos, are you going to throw the money out for that? Who is it that here, sure? That will be the real respect you will give your friend. Hey, no, yes. Amigo. Yes. They can make money. See, I'm now. And what is the need of you doing another write-up today? I walk by my say. No, enemy. Stop writing now. Oh, come and wait, turn on the Adama say. Why you do writing? But I wish to say, maybe, I don't know. There are things you want to say, you don't want to say. Imagine nobody that will convince me. Yeah, Sharon. Am I I was 17 years old when I left Nigeria. 32 years ago. Because of who I come up from Nigeria, because of family. Hello? Imagine family no woman. Family say both home and abroad. Who they need a plan on my day? I don't know when a bad person or my radio. When more here, they even can't call social media. Oh, brother has the Chris. Oh, sister the Chris. I'm not gonna carry go do sister and brother now. Before you know it, now they are not friends to them. Okay? Because I refuse to come and say me and my family we are coming to saga on social media. When they come and sister, they can't lie on me. 2019. I have to come and defend myself because of what I was doing and what I'm still doing. Okay, before we help outsider, I've helped my family first indoors. Okay? So when they say, oh my yek by this December year, they go and uproot my mother, or they uproot her. They're not going to take my mother from my senior sister funeral that drove my mother 2015. Or drove my mother away from Bedo State to Lagos. My mother spent almost 9 years there. For good 5 years, or Madi go Gije. Oya Ribai. Oya me. Kake the other brother ma badon Nigerian. Or even when the social media even when your man me go a dead 65 years in Yare because 2019, 2015 of Uyeme Lako. You know your man me go a docket where 5,000 k, near 10,000 k every month. Hello? But I never stop a day. A month. These evil people don't manipulate even the easy. They manipulated you to collect the entitlement. Yeah, when he hear Easy drove his when he hear Sharon drove Sharon away. Where is your Sharon Lawa? Hello? Can you love Sharon Amanda? You don't pay your part 8. All the video you do from part 1 to part 8. No, part 8 in all your way. And they come here and complain. Hello? So when I say they're not, that maybe the social media person, when they say they'll just humiliate our guy, I mean, I'm not too tier. So but not game on in a mweke. When they try to come and humiliate my mother on social media, filming my mother, it is not easy for them to play on social media. Let social media what donate to me any I forbid them. Because I can't even put me say, these people they are frustrated today. They think that they are number 1 on social media. I get 10,000 viewers. I got enemy. They were using their social media money to be buying a local cloth. And then look nene, a shadow tana away. And as a no imi. No, you can on your nyaga. Ukmaya fefe the shadow je. Then you gonna go where also ba. Mimi ganwa somo no or ganwa say you know meti jukmo na kuma against it by then. Unda so ya me vukmo. May God not let me reach such a close. Nigeria do ya there. Hello? So because I refused Then I tell my sister to go and bring my mother to Benin. Yeah, was said you got to Lebulajo. Oh, why arrested you now? Why arrested me? Who to a new way? Oh, come here. We're done it in Jimmy in my hell. Hello? Before they do this thing, when I will send my money to my mother for feeding, immediately go go with your migo now, mammy. Me where lodging where I am fearful you fearful you how emotional blackmailing. And I will ask of your jelly funa. Me do, because when you my mother come abroad, come see visitors. Oh, your money, you weapon. What am I who now? Where who are the with the tumor? You came, I carry you come for visit in 1999. Come now, visit us. Oh, well, what's that you say? So I can't hear. They didn't even tell me that they are taking out to Biniaha. When me what me was to never do last social media. No, God forbid. We may grow and we pray. God forbid. He said I should be slow to anger, quick to listen. Now these people, I saw what we are. Oh, come. So since January, I was not able to send my mother money. They wanted to dictate for me the POS that I will be sending money to, because even when you can't bank, and I want you. I went December 2023, me give you go energy message. It's okay. 32 years you feed it. 17 years you feed it. If you want to do the calculation. But that will not mean that I will come out and allow anybody to insult my mother. God forbid. Forgive, but don't hear me. Just like these people now. After insulting their mothers, insulting you, because of how to shame Mama Sharon. I don't dare by way. By the way, yes. Those are the blackmailing they are doing, you people. Forget. No, ya roviju any man. O ma to aseni for me ne. O gbọ́dọ̀ mo gbọ́dọ̀ roviju akọ de do roviju e. Ah, wa. What are we not talking about? So since January, you know about God. You see me? It's not that I don't have him that money to send to my mother. But they cannot detect on me the pulse I will send my money through. My nephew, my sister's son, that I've been sending money for the past 10 years in Lagos. Yeah, when did he get in heaven? As everywhere you're there, so only you hear me go about. And I will know. No, God. If it is your will that my mother is still alive today, upon all the temptation right from birth, my mother was 3 years old, just like Mimi. Mimi, my question 3 years now. My mother was 3 years old when she became an orphan. And Mimi, my mother lost the father and the mother at the age of 3. At the age of 5, hello? That's why you say I'm passionate about orphanage children. My mother uses food to feed many children in that Edo state, in Benin City. So I tell God, Baba God, if it is your will that my mother will not eat my food again, my money again, let it be done. But if it is not your will, where we come, that woman will collect money. Just 2 months ago, the woman that helped me to do euro to euro in Nigeria, I called her. No, madam. Yeah, I said you were 500,000 naira. Can you go and give give it to somebody to go and give my mother? Oh, well, no problem. But when I pray over it, now no, God forbid. After 32 years, because my sister now become a yes and a task and what time it is like a year. You're not beard. Come on. If there's any property we are going to share, we're more here. Oh, when he said in the message, Mama, you not call again where I will call. No, and I can't do that. But God so kind, just 2 weeks ago, I mean 3 weeks ago, on the 2nd of August, yeah, 3rd of August, I see them, our childhood friend in Port Palace. And ya dele me by. Eh, sister, what you na here? No, na people they hear story now. Okwemi, you don't hear more, but let me tell you the truth. Since January, he gave you ego give me say I cannot send my mother any money anymore because you make okay quality don't matter mama, but they want to command me. I want to send money through. I refuse. I forbid them. Oh, what money? What do you need? The area give me now. Really? Anyway, I keep us 200 euro. You know what? I'll say let me go to a bank because my bank whatever. I want my bank. I will pay the interest, the commission. Oh well, 200 in that center, it's almost 360,000. You know, okay. So what? Why the engagement is okay. 5 days after now, 2 weeks after. I get so what I call him, eh? Oh, where can you not feel go name your ma? OPS, POS. One of my POS, transfer you. Now we have a my account. My account. And my man have transfer the account of my baby. I got the Egypt upon your young one already. Okay? So I have to call the lady or retell him, man. No, when you know to you know that was my sister. Even my bad daddy. Yeah, I said the 500,000 give me. 200 details so one and whoa. You want to go by the 500,000. Sister, I make it since January to July. The man bet you go gear. 500 in the year. Mama, no problem. I have to pay the commission and everything. I really going to give me 500,000. I will live video call. Oh, you gonna follow me with Jerigo. Origo. Ekponu na suse igbi agaviwe. Now you have 500 mark follow me. Yeah, they know how. Right now with the God I serve, I will never depart from the God I serve. They think that they can manipulate one way or the other that you do and go. Or I will come and bow down for them. You are a bomb bastards. You see him? So yes, Sharon. Oh, what I tell mama, what how you go, my? So we have fefe no rin ekole do time agbo we. Edu kwa Sharon your worry. What that be? Me do money ban ne easy. Do you know that easy ita de le I tell you easy. What we drag. Oh, what's the salvation of that? Because of what happened to Sharon and her mother, you don't want it to happen to you and your mother. That's why what were you just story? Who were you just left Sharon? You don't know who was yes. The relationship you now have with your mother. You were a relationship a Sharon OKPAMEN and you relationship. Who were you don't just a Sharon well? And yes, Sharon, not by the hell. Yeah, Tamis, maybe is there, Lenny. Now you're deaf, your bomb. We may, oh, I'll go back and just settle. I get a Sharon who look like one. I get now. I said to where I was because the social media, no man, all of them, they know from one platform to the other looking for the saga, where the saga for hot pass. You are not learning. I call social media, say, I call help. Say, I don't help family finish. My mama last born in the year 2000 I entered double. Okay? We are 6 in number, but 5 of us entered abroad. The 3 are now deported. Mosia. That's me when near maybe it's a deportment. Okay? No passing. That's me when near maybe a deportment. Apart from you and Yama, who name is social media. So my Sharon. When there's on never over before social media case one. 20 years ago when the name is one. What was it? So when I see these evil people want to use my family against me, the sister can go talk for the Murphy side. Let the number of bet the Murphy on from head to toe. And at Gladys somebody meet my sister for Benin. Gladys somebody. You want to know me not wrong. We have your bat in date. No, they have the ticket in another more thing Gladys somebody like that. Hello? So, Oteme have betrayed me in the year 2001, September. Ola mogi amoji. Adiena do mego tion da fon every year saze yon tu go niri. So you see how God always defend me. And after I've made her to have a children here, at the phone we first sojourn ne. Oteme ave sojourn me bona. E bed ma da phone we ne non. E tas ma kwepe ama wa do motas yo mo ipe. Hello. But when she come and defamate me on social media, just because they promised her that they are going to, they give her a lawyer from Hillary for Napoli that is going to help her. If they give you a lawyer to help you, what must you come and lie on me? That was the day when I was on live video, a video call with my mother 2 weeks ago. You know, Mose forever. You are here. You made it here, Sister Mose. Will I call you Sister Mose? Respect is earned. It's never asked for. It's never asked for. Do you do a sister, sister something to me? For the betrayal from the one who not love a social media, it's just no, it's nothing. She was shocked that I asked for fire. And my phone in any tour. 5 minutes, my young one, she was not talking to no. She was not able to look my eyes. He cannot look your eyes. So, Mama Sharon, if this your children, your Sharon friends, you fear by oh, you ma fear by forgive them. Or one not power when I deliver any. Then Sharon ma tu le muya buya. Gege ni ji ma tell potem ni you. Iji ma like once you can at America ukpolo ma say. That tell Sharon J school. Or maybe a production or only a Lollywood in a party. Or yeah, make you go mind the source of where she's making money. The mother would be most proud of her. Every time I got the beggar or the beggar who the bear say you can't go there, you can't move where you were, but my pay, madam. Everyone there who said we were sent from one country to the other, and the madam would hear my way. It's a big shame and big disgrace to the mother. Or yeah, they're not beer. For your worry. Is that good? No, it's condemnable. But you don't know what. You don't know what happened before the mother will take such an action. Because that Sharon may not be no what that for or you what that for bad webo or you what that for bad na Sharon get Sharon. That for you that for bad wa. Iye Sharon ogi gbekpo no ya va Sharon weke we water. Hello? No ya go wo mogo. O. E Sharon mi je keke no ya ayo. Now Sharon be wa me the talk of the town. Sharon be on bouger. Apartment in Niger, je vais no ya we restaurant. Se va le Sharon be ya be am Sharon be there. Nobody eh. Man no see, man no hear so, man no see so. Ni je na we no pa yo winyere. Ni wa yagi die mo bogo wa be. Yes now. Oh there easy. Oh there easy no water. Oh wa be je na wa hwe yo ware. Ije mari gwa le popo ne gbo Izzy Omoruyi gwe ni je gwa whenever you gwa good the next was set on ma. Oh yeah, pa now. There are many mothers. Ereme ya devereni. Oh well, iheregbe ya ware. Ije me mare but when it come down then na. Hello. There are many mothers so when ya yare. Ni mi no mi ya yare ya do su send money. And when money mothers over, where do I hear? No do kill the family. But because of one thing or the other, they are still family today. Was so easy of women. Oh, you over no manager webo. Hello. I don't much of one mosia. I worry. Nya seti wewu. And I thank God even Jenny. ekene kote was say in this social media we see when some guys go crack come and say now so mama shopping money edi ji about yego even when I have the way our meeting some even the one that go start to a friend small boys for Nigeria yeah man bijin yawa. So what are you people the shame wa shame ho nai mama listen. In Ephesians chapter 6, so he said we are not wrestled against flesh and blood. We are wrestling against the spiritual, the evil doings in this darkest world. So as social media, now easy don't tell us I made it no patai. Es so you work ke mon keroto no pela na yela wa o e kemi ke no ya we yela wa there your bossa do kaje church la wa no to bo we aleru okay madam la wa no to bo we aleru before you met me na aleru we be yo solo boy enemy I'm a prayer warrior now come on I'm a big prayer warrior and no sooner than when I vie mo la wa mo we no pe la wa easy to le mu bujene no pa to le mu bujene je no pa no get defend wa gbo bi yin yan bo la wo easy o wa no la wo get wa gbo bi yin yan bo e no pa we di yin la gbon hagi e no bi yin so easy la wo ya bian wa meti forgive o we forgive ya cause yin won no mu we ge o bo won no mu we ge so ni oni attack any ade attack no phone do ye ro isi se mo ni ahita in he. So mama la wo keep get when I will not better Sharon your tori. So I'm giving you my offer now. My people, please share this video. As I said, this video is here. Well, Sharon said maybe it's just some days or a week to delivery. Or so any decision the mother anybody will take now, a Sharon top by time. That's why the GoFundMe is not working. So easy. Omoruyi, I need a postal pay account. You people should create a postal pay account where we will donate money into. Okay? Oh, Mama Sharon, the account I want to donate €100 to that account. And at the day, I will have an address of any African market that I want to volunteer for 2 years or till that baby. Oh, Mama, the Sharon will say, to your fear purpose. I want to be delivering papas every month for that baby. Then 2 years, you know, then 3 years, I feel papas. If you people can give me that opportunity, I want to do it. So my people, please, if you want to help Sharon, me, I don't know her. I didn't even know about her video. I work on enemy or Lollywood enemy, but the story touched me. So what God put in my heart now is what I'm giving now. Please, Mama Sharon, we need your postal pay. That you donate you go yo. But a money ya koko. That will be back in adweki. Na ya koke money no. Me a person I volunteer to buy pampers for that baby. Not that baby because not that be a pampers ogbigo. And meek. You get that man and on. So if another person can volunteer to buy a milk for that baby for 1 year, every month, you'll be delivering. Don't give me your address. And they're not. The something is not coming away from my house. I will do the delivery. I will call. I will go to Amazon or any supermarket. No, I don't deliver the store. Okay. So the same thing with anybody that will volunteer to buy baby milk for that baby. If those two things can be out of the life of Mama Sharon, you see, the something will go lesser. Amen. We bless God. Okay? So, Mama Sharon, please. There are many people that are willing to donate. That this story touches the heart or touch my heart. That God found me. But don't you continue. Me, I'm not in that way. Emana money. What I'm interested about is those children. So we need your PayPay. You can open PayPay account or postal pay. Me, I'm donating $100, €100. Yeah. So my people, anything you do for Sharon, you are not doing it for Sharon. You are doing it for yourself. If this story did not touch you, when that Sharon Mama there on go, when that Sharon there on go, that is not what we are talking about now. Okay? That is not what we are no more talking about. We're not supposed to talk about it anymore. In the hell or not, and the be or not, they have said it all. But let us join this mother. Because we are after you are me another saga, but you shall study what phone. Mufua. It's all what phone. Now we are with my mother or my boy. Izzy Omoruyi, I know that talk what you want to talk. People are still bringing it out again now. Nene, John Izzy. One of my bug buju wene. No John no way. God forbid. God forbid. On my way to Niger. Mufua. After a week of for your terrible. I will not tell you when all like social media. And Izzy, your part 8. Because if the song go long too much now. You said the lie of your mother or the story of Okeke with your mother. Mommy, when you talk about Okeke and your mother, just 30 seconds, what on fear, you just say it out like that. You did not go deep. Me, I want to know what really happened between your mama and Okeke. Okeke, I'm sorry, Okeke. Izzy Omoruyi, why don't you go profound? And let us know where the story you were Okeke. Because when you walk book Okeke, one of my Tony. Your followers, your lovers, they want to know. Come and defend your mother now. And you don't defend the Sharon. You come and defend yourself with Sharon. Here Sharon is a liar. They teach you no. Sharon. That don't me no. No wuni yaro mind Sharon time you know ya is condemnable, yeah. But you don't have right to come and use it to beat this woman at this particular moment. But afford it now. Afford it. Without Keke you know the who fear for you when you didn't go deep and tell us where you drag a friend to Keke but I your back. No. You know your own. I don't know my Reggie. Hannah. See, I shall not make any here. Je pass yeah. When you go meet a shadow for coma, a pastor not best and when you're calling no we are there. And the pastor not there one shadow with now. Mama, yes, shadow. A monastic water. Keko we no be. Go by me. Riela wa. Riela wa ya dare you go saloboa. Osabo asio we kan silele. O ma tana. Ora fe mi na ori enu. Me no the channel wa fe we na. Eya le bujian. Ijian ma se ya gita. E ma lijian vie no dojun gba me ni wunele ma ni wula avieru do way. E clear pastors in the family. On the family to be having beba here go you go. Eya fefe you love you. Yes. I wish I say it's a free giver. Yes, now when you need friends go join you and they go gather you because you are a free giver. Okay? They don't follow Sharon because they give you. Oh, come on. I can switch yo. With a year for Izzy Manchester and Nigeria. Now Nigeria friends. Now they enjoy you are a liar. You know friends will not see enjoy them. Oh, come on. When they say you talk and say name your Samet, all of them they come from Europe, they come they meet Sharon or go Sharon Mama restaurant and go eat. Is that not a free food? Upon all, you mean Jagui. What we see arriba. Etelele bali jabeko. Omo me wa jegbo ha wa suselele na. Ayi ma ni ro wodo, oye lele kian. Oh no, we see mother, don't tell me we see mother. Just imagine Sharon that have 0 document when they know they renew. It now relocates to Germany. Tell you well a father shot have been enemy. When I hear that for the video we I do 2 weeks ago, I say I don't believe that Sharon went to Germany to go and look for father shot. Oh no, 0 because they man no they do no. Never be oh ya warning before Kono say in a true. Not true. Really? Odo wa ya kede mama. We forgive everybody. Not go yourself, no man go yourself was you. Tie ya kugbe wa koko mwe. Ni adeba when we Sharon yoto you don't even supposed to be dead and akmo yoto. Oh, they were not accusing you where they Sharon eh. Ero de koma. Eria wa kesto. Otomo mo boga agwe wa. Omo boga agwe. They were not talking maybe je wa ke e Sharon ore koma wa le koma pa no wa gufu anye jo. Obi we maybe na Nigeria work hospital ma facilities ma maybe e wa yupa tubu na fish yo gbe or na doyo. Maybe she was having that faith where ore come maybe olaje omo bogwe. Omo na bobo maybe kinyo yari right. May God not let bad thing happen. You they work for fabrica, you they work for office, say you die today. The next day they don't bring person to you for your position immediately. We are whole numbers. Oh, we are man in case store. Oh, yeah, man, I go more. No moya guka, no moya no shadow ya guka do adena. Awe na here oh ye na. 2-3 weeks no moya case store. Is there anybody that not work, mama? You gonna tell me a stone every day? Let me pay it to you. Alright. Okay, after a month, maybe I don't want me pay for like get sorry, do I know you? He a shadow walk with your work store. Voya coquemon, voya pay bills. Voya pay bills. Huh? Neither one in the police. There's no condemnation you are going to give to this woman. And not soon. Or when I want when I have so Izzy Omoruyi, you have said it all. Or you say a partner, enemy. On my camera, will come. I'm not interested. But please go and meet Sharon mother, or maybe but organize. You know I am with Sharon. What I am with Sharon, you told her. You think that's okay? You have your bonnet. I don't come out my hands. Mama offend me. People offend me. Sharon de no way. Izzy Omoruyi. Sharon de no way. Because she relied on you. Just take this betray, or maybe you get forced to come out and say your own side to be free. But you are not going to be free. Let me give you an example. July 2015, my husband mother, my mother-in-law, my husband mama, yeah, my mother-in-law. Upon waiting she do me, when they do me, will not accept you, be black, no. Every day, every time when she go come meet me, he get one of my husband's sister-in-law. Where my husband mama get 5 children. So the daughter of it, don't agree make that one go work, make it when it make your follow because they be farmer. Make that one do farming work and everything. She was paying her tax. Okay. She was paying the get tax and everything. It's okay. They put the factory for the girl name. When he look all his children, 5 of his children with the one we married, the wife and the husband. Anytime when she come meet me, she dey tell me say, "Per favor, because she's not married." My husband mother was telling me, "Please, it's okay. Don't give me your load, and that's why you know Allah make him do you make go work, make it get in your life and everything. Make all there for my head. Madam, go. I'll talk for my mind. I don't tell her. You understand me? This thing shall be saying it 5 years before 2015 when she late. And she just late. The apartment will go and rent for her when they near to hospital. Because of dementia. So the dementia never took because she don't want to go hospital. The family, the children say no. They don't want to make their mother go hospital. So we can't rent house, apartments near the hospital so that doctor